Today we got a 78 Malibu. Guy brought it in, one of the Chevy rebuilt, and a quality torque converter installed, so we put a PTC converter in it. It's going to stall about 3,800 RPM. It's got a Transco shift kit. They're a good shift kit. And we also rebuilt the front end, all new urethane bushings. We put some weaker springs in the front so it'll help transfer weight. Also has some 9010 Calvert shocks. This guy's gonna race this car a little bit down in Mexico, so he wants to hook on the street. So it's got drag radials right now, so it doesn't hook at all with those on the street. So he's gonna get some soft sidewall tires. That's the next step, and he'll go have some fun with it. We also installed a B&M shifter and an autometer dash. It's pretty cool how it works. It's got 4 different face types you can choose from and lots of adjustment.